Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to program 2013 Gmc Acadia Key Fob, easy method. Start by sitting in the driver's seat, doors closed, and place the original key and new fob on the console. Make sure no other fobs are nearby and the car battery is stable. This preparation avoids errors and saves time while we run the programming steps together in a calm, steady way for clear results. Follow these precise steps to sync the new fob with your Acadia. Insert the original key and cycle ignition, OFF then RUN 3 times, ending in RUN. Press both lock and unlock on the new fob until the door locks cycle or lights flash. Release the buttons and turn ignition off to exit programming. Test all buttons to confirm lock, unlock, and panic functions operate reliably before finishing up. If the fob does not program on the first try, don't worry. Many issues are simple fixes. Replace the new fob battery and confirm doors are fully closed, then repeat the ignition and button sequence slowly. If it still won't pair, the vehicle may need dealer tools for module programming or a locksmith with OEM equipment. I'll walk you through common fixes so you can avoid unnecessary service visits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.